When embarking on a new technology initiative, planning is one of the initial steps that can help the overall process become successful. Imagine traveling to a new country without your cell phone or GPS. How would you know where to go? In order to effectively manage an initiative in technology, there needs to be planning. In this presentation, we will see the key features to help you successfully plan, beginning with evaluating and creating a technology plan, followed by the implementation, and lastly, the evaluation of it. The overall goal of a technology plan is the successful integration of technology in support of student learning and school management. Technology plans are central to technology deployment. They can be either informal or formal. They consider the implications of the long-range funding issues. They identify timelines and milestones. They coordinate all technology integration and establish evaluation mechanisms. How to qualify as an approved technology plan. There are some criteria that have been established as core elements of a successful technology initiative. First, the plan should establish clear goals and a realistic strategy for using technology to improve instruction and administration in the educational organization. Next, the plan should include an assessment of the hardware, software, networking, and human resources as well as financial that will be needed in the educational services. Another criteria is that the plan should provide for a sufficient budget and schedule of professional development that will be needed. The final criteria of a technology plan is the evaluation process. It should enable the organization to monitor progress towards the specific goals and make any mid-course corrections if needed in the developments and opportunities. Creating a technology plan and policies is only the first step towards embarking upon a successful journey. A technology plan should specify a timeline for implementation, which often occurs in steps. When these steps are incorporated into a schedule, they are called benchmarks and can be used to assess whether or not the organization is making reasonable progress. An extremely important aspect of the technology plan is the evaluation of its effectiveness. One fundamental question in reviewing a plan is, are desired goals being achieved? The technology plan should include a schedule for evaluating the initiative as well as procedures for revising the plan based on events as they unfold. Remember, when evaluating a plan, it is important to remain objective. If the early stages of a plan do not proceed as anticipated, it does not make the entire plan a failure. Indeed, schedules and budgets are essentially early best guesses and will almost certainly need to be adjusted later. Technology implementation is a continuously changing process that adapts to the organization's changing circumstances. Now, it's your turn to start planning. May the force be with you.
Created using Powtoon.